After harvesting the field, we prepare for the big feast. Everyone in our village gathers to cook one big meal to eat together. We all help out with whatever we can. We will cook all day, and then, at night, we finally get to eat. Everyone comes to eat together and share their food with each other. We all eat and get ready for the big New Year celebration that will take place the next day. We will finally wear our new outfits for the celebration. I can't believe it's tomorrow, Mama.
Yes, it is, and we have lots of work to do. After you're done with those vegetables, you can start with the other ones.
Here, boys, chop this one too. Dude, why don't you keep your eyes out for the dogs, you know, just in case they come over here?
Oh, okay.
I just don't understand how Brother Bill can run so fast all the time.
Well, maybe if I got myself into much trouble as he did, I'll be running fast too.
Yeah, like that one time he caught his shirt on fire?
Yeah, when we got stung by all those bees.
Hey, he brought my new ex too, you know?
For real.
Hey, Boo, you don't look so good. Are you feeling okay?
I don't know. I just can't do anything right. I mess up on every single thing I do in life. You know, I might as well not go to the New Year celebration.
What? You're not going tomorrow? But you have to go. Everyone goes to the New Year celebration.
Everyone except me. If I go, I'm just gonna mess up the New Year. Forget the New Year celebration tomorrow.
You have to go. We've been preparing all year for this.
Fine. I'll think about it.
Now, guys.